The overall goal of this protocol is to use microscopy to analyze the formation of bacterial biofilms on filamentous hyphae.
This method can help answer key questions in the microbiology field, such as how bacterial biofilms are formed on hyphae, how specific they are, and what are they made of.
The main advantage of this technique is that it permits the investigation of bacterial biofilm formation on fungal hyphae on multiple scales, from the nanometer to centimeter ranges.
Demonstrating the procedure will be done by Cora Miquel Guennoc from my laboratory and Christophe, the electron microscopy engineer from INRA PTEF platform.
To begin, prepare cellophane membranes with the same diameter as the petri dishes, then place them in boiling EDTA for 30 minutes. Then use deionized water to rinse the sheets and autoclave them twice. To prepare fungal pre-cultures, inoculate the fungus on agar medium covered with an EDTA pre-treated cellophane membrane. Incubate the cultures at optimal temperature to obtain colonies approximately 1 centimeter in diameter. From the pre-culture, inoculate a petri dish of appropriate agar medium covered with the EDTA cellophane membrane by using a scalpel to gently scratch the external area of a pre-culture colony, and then transferring the hyphae to the agar plate. Incubate the plates at optimal temperature until the colonies are approximately 1 centimeter in diameter. To prepare bacterial cultures such as P. fluorescens BBC6, use a sterile loop to collect 2 to 3 individual bacterial colonies from agar medium.